people buy a car, they only think about the price on the window. But here's the thing most folks don't consider. The sticker price is just the beginning. The real cost of owning a car is what it takes to keep it running after the shiny new feeling wears off. Maintenance, repairs, parts, and labor. That's where some brands absolutely drain your wallet. It's not just luxury exotics like Ferrari or Rolls-Royce. I am talking about everyday brands. Brands you see at the grocery stores or in your neighborhood. Some of these cars will hit you with thousands in repair bills for things that should not cost that much, like water pump or set of brakes. And when they break hard. Let's get into it. Top 5 car brands that are surprisingly expensive to maintain. Number 5, Audi. Audi is known for its clean, modern interiors and smooth, refined ride. People love them because they feel luxurious without the full Mercedes or BMW price tag. But here is the problem. They're over-engineered. Everything under the hood is packed tight. There are sensors everywhere, and even simple repairs require dealership-level diagnostics. You want to change a headlight? $2,000. And you want the brake job done? $2,400. A failed timing chain tensioner? $3,500. You got turbo issues? Get in line. Even their oil changes can cost $300, $400, $500. Not like a Toyota. So yeah, owning one past the warranty, very risky. Number 4, BMW. The nickname Break My Wallet didn't come out of nowhere. BMW is a blast to drive, no question. They are responsive, refined, and stylish. But once they hit 70 to 90,000 miles, the problem starts creeping in. The cooling systems are notoriously weak. Water pump, thermostat, expansion tanks, take your pick, they all go. Then you got oil leaks from valve cover gaskets. Wow. Turbo wastegate rattle, electronic gremlins, and don't even get me started on iDrive failures. Labor is high, parts are expensive, and DIY work is nightmare unless you're a trained mechanic with special tools. Number 3, surprise, surprise, Volkswagen. Volkswagen is like Audi's more affordable cousin, but unfortunately, it inherited some of the same bad habits. Volkswagen uses a lot of turbocharged engines, DSG transmissions, and complex electrical systems that are just not cheap to maintain. The DSG transmissions alone, if it fails outside the warranty, can cost upwards of $5,000 to replace. Water pumps, ignition coils, carbon buildup in intake valves, those are common issues. Even the basic stuff like a battery or alternator often has a Volkswagen tax on it. And while they look practical, their reliability rating consistently lag behind brands like Toyota or Honda. Number 2, Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. This whole family of vehicles is plagued with long-standing reliability issues. Let's take Dodge models like the Journey or the Charger. These are known for transmission problems and poor build quality. Jeep Grand Cherokees and Wranglers, tons of electrical issues, infotainment glitches, and leaky engines. Chrysler minivans like the Pacifica, you better pray the transmission holds up past 100,000 miles. Even parts that should be cheap like alternator or suspension bushings are overpriced and often need replacing way too early. The result? Constant trip to the mechanic and thousands spent on stuff that should not break yet. The number 1, Land Rover / Range Rover. I know some of you might say this is a luxury brand, but it's worth mentioning because you still see tons of them on the used car lots at bargain prices. But don't fall for it. Land Rovers and Range Rovers are some of the most unreliable vehicles in the market. Air suspensions fails, engine misfires, oil leaks, transmission problems, electrical chaos. Pick a system, and there's probably a known issue with it. They look amazing and ride great when new, but after 5 years or shorter, There are money pits. Just replacing an air suspension part can cost thousands. And that bargain used Rover, it's usually someone else's nightmare that they're offloading. So what's the takeaway here? Always look past the badge. A car might look fancy, feel smooth, and even seem like a deal on the lot. But if it's going to cost you $3,500 a year in repairs once it's out of warranty, that's not a deal, that's a money trap. If you're shopping for a used car or even a certified pre-owned, do your homework. Look at long-term reliability, cost of ownership, and repair trends, not just the monthly payment. And if you already own one of these brands, make sure you've got a good mechanic and maybe start an emergency fund just for your car. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. We got plenty more videos coming to help you keep more of your money and avoid expensive mistakes, whether if it's buying a car, financing furniture, or dodging shady deals. Thank you.